Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe and positive out there. Today is a dividend stock portfolio update. I'm starting to do these more regularly because I think it's important to disclose and show what I'm buying. And today I'm going to go through the top income stocks that I'm buying in 2022. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We are just getting started. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. All right, so give it a good old thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is my number one golden rule, is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in any kind of investment, all right? So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Let's get straight into the juicy dividend stocks. Now, again, I'm going to go through my top income generating stocks for 2022 and beyond. I think it's very important because, guys, honestly, cash flow is king. Everybody needs to make more money every single week or month, all right? Now, I'm going to go through this, guys. So this is the brokerage that I use, Stake. Obviously, there is a referral link below. If you use that, you can get a stock in Dropbox, GoPro, or Nike. And yes, a few of my followers have received stocks in Nike right now. And again, that particular stock in itself is valued at, drum roll, let me go here, guys, NKE, right here, $110 US. So that is a nice one there. Anyway, now, again, I'm going to be focusing on my main dividend stocks today. Currently, my portfolio is sitting at $46,696.31 USD. On Friday, because the market is closed over the weekends, I had a total return on the day of $777 US, which is nice, 1.69%. Obviously, across my entire portfolio, I've had a total return of $7,152.94, 18% return, which is about average, if not above average as well, because usually you get in index funds and ETFs around 10% per year. So 18% is doing quite nicely. However, there is a lot of macro news going on in the world at the moment, and obviously that's affecting my portfolio value. However, the dividends do not stop. Now, I'm going to go through my top dividend paying stocks, and I'm going to show you these right now. Obviously, I've been dollar cost averaging into covered call ETFs, aka Qyld, and I'm going to bring this up for you right now. Let me get this up on my screen. Here we go, guys. All right, so Qyld, a covered call ETF. I'm incredibly bullish on this. It pays monthly dividends, which is something I really like. $17.51 a share. It has a total return of 2.1% on the day. This is not something you get involved with if you're looking for that, growth in stock price. All right, this is purely based on dividend income. It has a dividend yield of 12.51%. I currently have an equity position in this at $2,936. Again, I have 167 shares of Qyld, which is really, really nice for that passive income as well. So I've been dollar cost averaging into Qyld. The other one here, of course, is CLM, which is another covered call ETF right here. Cornerstone Strategic Value Fund right here, currently $10.22 a share, has a dividend yield of 21.57%. I currently hold $1,793 in equity in this, and currently 175 shares. Again, this is really nice for monthly passive income as well. That is what I'm generating, monthly passive income. Now, the other one here is Jepi, JEPY, which is a JP Morgan covered call ETF. Right here, guys. Currently at 56.15 a share. I currently hold $732 of this, 13 shares of this, a dividend yield of 10%. However, this particular ETF does have the ability for that growth in the share price, and that is why I'm bullish on Jepi as well. Some other ones right here, guys. Let's have a look. Of course, I've got ExxonMobil. This is a no-brainer for me. I dollar cost averaged into this as well. This is a top income generating stock, dividend paying stock right here for 2022 and beyond. Currently $96.50 a share. I currently hold 105 shares of this with an equity position of $10,179. Dividend yield is sitting at 3.71%. This pays quarterly. However, I've had a 92% return on this, which is absolutely insane. $4,884 in total returns. This is one of my biggest positions. It's incredible, guys. Now, the other ones here I'm going to go through as well, which is called RA. Let me just bring this up here, guys. You can see now. This is Brookfield Real Assets Income right here. It has a dividend yield paying monthly of 12.37%. I currently hold $419 in equity in this, 21 shares. This is another great monthly dividend paying stock, which again, love those monthly dividends, guys. Now, moving on to some other ones here that I have been dollar cost averaging into, and then we'll get into my dividend tracking app, which has been absolutely incredible. And no, I'm not affiliated with them. I just love it because I found something that actually works. Where else we got here, guys? Let me move down here, guys. UC, I think it's USIO. Sorry, give me a sec. Here we go here. Xlink's crude oil covered call ETF as well. Currently $4.46 a share. Has a dividend yield of 43.10%. This is very risky, guys. I mean, the price fluctuates all the time. The dividend yield fluctuates all the time. However, this does pay monthly. I currently hold 60 shares of this ETF, covered call ETF. Equity is $268. This pays insane dividends, all right? Straight up. Crazy dividends, but it's really risky. So this is just having some fun, earning that monthly passive income. Now that that's out of the way, let's go to the dividend tracking app. Currently sitting at $3,963 a year in passive income. Average is $330 a month. $10.86 a day, earning 6.72% an average yield across my entire portfolio. Due to receive dividends from IBM and Target in the next, obviously, day, which is nice. And if we go here, guys, these are my top dividend-paying stocks. Qyld, ExxonMobil, CLM, SPHD, and ETF as well. EPD's Enterprise Products Partners, RYLD as well, XYLD, O'Reilty, USOI right here, guys, the covered call oil ETF as well, AT&T, Prospect Capital, Jepi, VYM, RA, Stag, Slvo right here. So this is in relation to Silver, a covered call ETF for Silver, and Kimberly-Clark. Basically, I'm sticking to these top dividend-paying stocks because they're monthly dividend payers and I receive passive income. Now, I have a goal of $100,000 of dividend income a year. I will reach that. However, I would need to invest $1.4 million to get $100,000 in passive income a year. 46% of my dividends comes from miscellaneous companies, aka the covered call ETFs. I'm due to receive at the moment $68 in dividends for the rest of this month. And again, next month is going to be a pretty crazy dividend month. Now, portfolio sitting at 64,538 Australian dollars. This is in Australian dollars, by the way. I've had a total return of $5,595, which is 9.49%. Again, it's pretty nice as well. Now, moving out to one of my favorite features on this app, and it's pretty crazy right here. Now, this is obviously based in time. Time in the market beats time out of the market. Based on a 5% annual growth in dividend rate and a 2% annual stock pricing growth, all right? So basically, combining these all together, you will get these, all right? So in 10 years, my portfolio is going to be worth $185,000 and it will generate me $24,000 a year in passive income. Now, where it gets crazy is when you go to the 20-year chart. Look at this. The portfolio in 20 years, if I just simply reinvested the dividends, would be worth $2.9 million and it would generate me $954,000 a year in passive income. That's in 20 years. That is the power of compounding and why I'm so bullish on my dividend stock portfolio because, guys, honestly, that kind of income, you would never need to work. You would just simply do what you needed to do and work if you wanted to work. Bullish as anything. And I'm telling you now, in 20 years, if I was generating that kind of income, happy days. All right. So that's pretty much it for my my portfolio. You can see here all the charts, the monthly dividends coming in. So obviously September here, I've received $274. Major that was obviously ExxonMobil, Qyld, CLM, etc. Next month, I'm due to receive another $230. November, $232. December's a massive one, $400, etc., etc. And you can see how it grows from there. But that's pretty much it for today's dividend stock portfolio update. I wanted to show you guys what's going on in that because I think it's important. I wouldn't be called the Wall Street bull if I wasn't invested in Wall Street. All right, so I'm very bullish on my dividend-paying stocks, income-generating stocks for 2022. They're my favorite right there. Thanks very much. We'll speak to you on Monday. Have a good weekend. Take care. Speak soon. Bye.